Are you a business owner losing sleep over rising healthcare costs? Every year premiums climb, benefits shrink, and you're forced to choose between your margins and your employees' well-being. What if there was a government-approved way to lower your payroll taxes, reduce healthcare spending, and give your employees a real take-home pay raise, all at once? Stick with me. The solution is hiding in plain sight, and it's time to connect the dots. Healthcare costs are crushing small businesses. Every year, you pay more for less, and your employees feel the pinch with higher deductibles and shrinking paychecks. This financial stress hurts morale, productivity, and retention. Good people leave when benefits become a burden. You want to offer security and value, but the traditional model is broken, pouring money into a leaky bucket. So, do you accept this as the new normal, or look for a smarter way? There's a way to save money, improve benefits, and show your team you're on their side. Let's talk about a real practical solution. Meet the Pulse 365 program, a supplemental benefits package designed to work alongside your current health insurance. It's not insurance, but a set of wellness benefits paid for with pre-tax dollars, lowering taxable income for employees and payroll taxes for you. Employees get new benefits and a bigger paycheck. You get real, recurring savings. This isn't magic, it's smart, legal, and IRS approved. For every participating employee, you save on FICA taxes, and your team sees more take-home pay. It's a win-win. Better benefits, lower costs, and no disruption to your current setup. Pulse 365 turns benefits from a cost center into a savings engine. How is this possible? It's all thanks to IRS Section 125, which allows employees to pay for certain benefits with pre-tax dollars through a cafeteria plan. Pulse 365 is structured under this plan. Employees' pre-tax contributions lower their taxable income, reducing both their tax burden and your payroll tax liability. The result? Employees often see a net pay increase, and you save on every paycheck. This isn't a loophole. It's a proven strategy big companies have used for years. Now, Pulse 365 makes it simple and accessible for businesses of any size. It's about working smarter, not harder. Worried you'll have to ditch your current health insurance? Don't be. Pulse 365 is a supplement, not a replacement. It works with any existing plan. No need to change carriers, brokers, or networks. Major Medical covers the big stuff. Pulse 365 handles everyday wellness and preventative care. Implementation is simple and non-disruptive. Just add a new layer of benefits. You keep your current setup, but now offer a more attractive, valuable package. It's the best of both worlds, comprehensive coverage and real savings. Here's what your employees care about: a real raise. With Pulse 365, their pre-tax contributions lower their tax bill more than the cost of the program, so their net pay actually goes up. They get new benefits and more money in their pocket every payday. This builds loyalty, boosts morale, and helps you attract and retain top talent. It's a raise that doesn't cost you extra. In fact, it saves you money. You become the boss who found a way to give a pay bump and better benefits all at once. Pulse 365 isn't just about saving money. It's a robust wellness program. Employees get access to health coaching, 24/7 telemedicine, and a prescription drug benefit, often with no co-pays. This means fewer sick days, easier access to care, and lower out-of-pocket costs for everyday health needs. Eliminating barriers to care leads to healthier, more productive employees. The real value is in the improved well-being and engagement of your team. It's an investment in your most important asset, your people. Here's the part employees care about most: their paycheck. With this wellness plan, the employee's job doesn't change, their hours don't change, and their gross pay stays exactly the same. What changes is how a portion of their pay is treated for taxes. Because part of their compensation runs through a wellness benefit, less of their income is taxed. The result is simple. All eligible employees take home more money each month. If an employee does not come out ahead, they are not enrolled in the plan. For many employees, this results in hundreds and sometimes thousands of additional dollars per year. Same work, same gross pay, more take-home pay. Now let's look at how the plan impacts the employer. Wages do not change. Employee hours do not change. What changes is how a portion of payroll is treated for taxes. Because taxable wages are reduced, the employer's required payroll tax contribution is reduced as well. The result is straightforward. The employer pays less in payroll taxes for each participating employee. The program provides the employer with a net monthly savings per employee. As more employees participate, those savings grow. For many companies, this results in thousands in annual payroll tax savings, while adding new additional benefits. Ready to see what Pulse 365 can do for your business? The first step is easy. Get a free no-obligation analysis. Just provide basic info, no deep paperwork required. You'll get a clear, personalized savings report for your company and your employees. If you like what you see, Pulse 365 handles setup, compliance, and employee communication. No hidden fees, no long-term contracts, no hassle. If you're tired of rising healthcare costs and want to give your team a raise while saving thousands, take the first step. Ask for your free analysis today. You have nothing to lose and a lot to gain.